Greetings. How does one come to being intelligent? Or what state is most conducive to learn and to know? Reverence defined is a deep respect for someone or something. Respect from Latin is respectus, that is regarding or a looking at. When you break apart respect, you got which is back, and spec, to observe. So this is retrospective in nature. In other words, reverence is a deep retrospective state to someone or something. But reverence in itself renders the form that is someone or something superficial and brings out the essence, pushing it to cognition. What is that spark that at times we find glimpses in ourselves and in others, causing awe? Is this spark governed by any concepts whatsoever? In being truly retrospective in ourselves or others, do we get glimpses of this spark? If I disregard what a person says, or become aloof in a certain situation, what advantage do I have? Regardless of form, the message being the idea spans all time. It is beyond conception and is pure energy. I want to say that again. Regardless of form, the message being an idea spans all of time. It is beyond conception and is pure energy. So in reverence, you endeavor to see things in people at their innermost depth or center point. You become truly intelligent in that regard. Truly acknowledge what is around you, which is eternity, or infinity, or just something just beyond your comprehension. I mean, can you actually look at something and see just something mundane and see into it? For example, you have a rock. It's composed of atoms. Those atoms are composed of smaller parts. Those smaller parts are composed of smaller parts. Then you run into, well, what is that rock? I see it for a rock, but what is it? Just a name. So, to get back on track. So, to be truly reverent, it's not being critical, cynical, biased, or aloof. When you're not these things, when you look at things and all that, when you begin to train yourself to sit back, observe, and try to look at things in a different light, different positions and all that, you get closer to knowing what it truly is. So, the affirmation for this is intelligence is in direct relation. Intelligence is in direct ratio to reverence. All right, thank you.